You should
get like there and I'm going to film it.
Okay, you can talk.
Yeah, we're both trying to be like,
Okay, Pandap, you can talk.
Yes, it's over here. I'm over here right now. And the rest of you, you're on that side. You wear a cap now. Cap.
you still haven't gotten him in there. Okay, he's trying so.
Okay, come.
And 3 years back, I was about to go to Canada. I was okay.
Yeah?
Wait, Barry Lee, why didn't you tell us that right away?
Huh.
You're going to go to Canada.
I was about to go to Canada.
Oh, you didn't? Why?
Just okay. Call it in the meantime technical issue. No, not really.
Technical issue.
It's not really. It's not
a
really.
girlfriend.
It's
It's a
just.
girlfriend.
It's a girlfriend
That's
issue.
No, it's not
Technical
like that.
issues. You didn't know.
I'm not gonna say her name. I'm gonna call it technical issue.
Okay.
But I think I'm going to be there one day.
Yeah?
Probably maybe after a year or
Come in
two.
the summer, don't come in the winter.
Yeah.
The winter, like during like December.
No, don't come.
What's the winter over there?
Winter
What's
is
the winter?
November to April.
November to April.
Is
Yeah.
cold, like -3.
Really, really
It
cold.
doesn't rain.
It's
No.
snow.
When Vancouver
Snow.
rains, in
I
Vancouver
like
it rains
You like
for
snow?
winter. But in the rest of Canada, it's a lot of snow. Really, really cold. Like really, really cold. I'm saying like here people, I see people today
Wearing
in
big
Shillong
jacket.
with big winter jacket.
Mm.
But it's not even that cold here. So imagine in Canada with this much snow and the wind and everything.
We want
it's
you to like our country, so come when it's nice.
Yeah, that's when it's
Okay.
nice.
We
you know.
met,
I get the
we
idea.
met a woman in Calcutta from Mexico, and she came to Canada in January to our coldest city.
The coldest
coldest
city in all of
city.
Canada. She went there to study for 1
So
semester.
her opinion of our country is based on like the worst of the worst.
Yeah.
But apparently it was really good for her because she had to study, so she didn't go out. She just studied all day.
Yeah. It's
Mm.
too cold to
And
go
she
out.
made it.
And she
Yeah.
made it. She did.
But if you come
It's a
in the
great fun.
summer, you can enjoy like the real city, you know? Like here, like there's the golf link, and we have a place in the city called Mount Royal, and it looks similar like that, and everybody goes there on the weekend, and everybody has like tam-tams. And there's-
Bongo drums.
yeah,
About the Congo drums.
Yeah, but there's like 300 people just
Do you have a picture on your phone?
going like that, you know, and everybody's smoking weed and selling. Yeah.
Is it free there?
Now it's
It's legal.
That's
It's
legal.
legal.
It's legal.
Yeah, you
But
can.
not here. It's not legal here.
I don't know. In Shillong, it's kind of legal.
I'm stopping here.
Okay.